Hi and welcome to this week's video. This week's video is I'm going to be making a little box, something with a bit of burr in it and a little bit of colour in it, and I use all the standard Easy Wood Tools mid set is what I use for the shaping and obviously the parting tool and all of that. But I've also got few new additions to the range that I've got, and it is the Easy Wood Tool hollowing set. There's 3 in this set. That's number 1. I think that's 3, and this is 2. Could be the other way around with those. These ones really are for a bit more hollow form, I think, than what I normally do with the boxes. So I don't think this one and this one will be used much today, but this one definitely will be. This will be what I'll be doing the main hollowing with. I've also got the negative rate cutter for this, so I shall have that on when I'm probably more when I'm doing finishing. I've not had a lot of chance to mess with these tools to get a good feel for them, in all honesty. I normally use, as you would have seen, I normally use the Hope hollowing tools, and I've always struggled with hollowing. It's never been anything that I've found easy to do. So really today it's about me testing these out and seeing how I feel about these. I was down at Maker Central this week, and I do believe it was Yandles that was down there selling these tools for Easy Wood Tools, and yeah, so if you want them in the UK you can get them on Amazon, but do be careful because of the prices there. But also Yandles sell them, so please do head over to Yandles. I'll put a link to Yandles actually down below, and you'll be able to get all of these tools there, as well as all the cutters and everything. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy.
Have never been clearer. I see what you're doing to me now. They lie, they steal, they fooled us. Deep down I probably knew this. I think I would be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. They made us lose our focus. The very same hands that formed us. Go build a better tomorrow. For you I'd make it a rainbow. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect. So shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. With you by my side I'm not worried. I think we'll be able to find ourselves again. Blank expressions, empty words. Nothing can keep me away from you. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one told us. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you were bright white gold. wasn't all a dream. Even now I have a feeling that fate is going to be kind and let us know if we aren't moving. I hope I'm still on your mind.
Hi, welcome back. I wanted to just come back and talk about these tools. These tools were kindly gifted to me from Easy Wood Tools at the Maker Central show 2019, just in case this takes a while to get out. These are the 3 different hollowing tools that I was gifted, and obviously the box didn't really need these 2, so I didn't use either of these. I wasn't hollowing in on the lip of the box, so I didn't really think I needed them. These will be used. I have some plans for some of the projects in the future which I'll be using these. I will add a bit about talking about those when I do come to use them, because if they perform anything like this one did, this I used a lot for hollowing, and I really wanted to test it. I struggle with hollowing. It's been something I've struggled with since I started turning, and as you know, I make a lot of boxes, and I've bought a lot of different tools in order to do hollowing, because I don't like it when you get that shudder. So getting the right tools for the job is quite important. These have a marker on them to tell you the depth of cut for this, so there was way more than enough for that little box. And I used the negative rate cutters as well on it for the finishing. I decided that I would hollow everything out. I often use a Forstner bit and stuff like that, and hollow, to be honest, most of it out. That's how I managed in the past. But anyway, I used this for the majority of the hollowing, and it was brilliant. It actually, when you actually dip this in the centre, it removes an amazing amount of material very quickly. The other tool that I'm not going to say the other tool make that I do use, and they are great, but they do not remove stuff like this one does. And hollowed very quickly. It was probably the quickest hollow I've actually ever done was with this. And when I put the negative rake scraper on to do all the finishing on the inside, it just finished it beautifully. I didn't end up with that ring of lines that I have done in the past with the struggling with hollowing. It did give it a really fine, good finish at the end, and was just really nice to use, you know. They are up on Amazon, these. I will put the link down below. It will be an affiliate link. You do not pay any more than that, than what you'll pay anywhere else, so I will put that link in down below for that, and it just helps out the channel if you do decide to order any of your tools through there. So I would basically say that I was really delighted with this. This will be my go-to tool now. I don't think I've mastered it perfectly. I think it's going to take me a few boxes to do before I feel really comfortable with it, but it was so much easier than my past boxes. So just wanted to quickly come back. Thank you very much for watching this video, and more videos coming to you very soon.